I'm going to show you how to make a White Lion cocktail. We're going to start off with our ice. Go ahead and pour that into your glass. And then we're going to add in 1.5 ounces of light rum. And you can use any brand that you prefer. There we go, 1.5. Now we're going to add in the juice of half a lemon. And that's going to be about 2 good squeezes from your lemon juice bottle. We're then going to add in about 1/2 teaspoon of grenadine, so just a splash, and 2 dashes of bitters. There we go. Go ahead and put in about 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar and shake it up. All right. Grab yourself a martini or cocktail glass, and you're going to strain this right into your cocktail glass. Make sure you hold your strainer on nice and tight. And then if you like, you can also garnish this with a maraschino cherry. And there you have it, a White Lion cocktail. Cheers.